As Guyana begins to compile its second Extractive Industries Transparency Initiative report, local stakeholders have been taken step by step through the best practices of the initiative.
The compilation of Guyana's second Extractive Industries Transparency Initiative (EITI) report is of major significance. This is the time all agencies and companies are expected to be fully compliant with the global standard for the good governance of oil, gas, and mineral resources. Guyana, being a part of the implementing countries, submitted its first report on April 25th this year. Earlier, during his feature address to stakeholders at the EITI Transparency Workshop, Minister of Natural Resources, the Honourable Raphael Trotman, recalled the journey of Guyana becoming EITI compliant.
Guyana has made monumental strides in the past 4 years in its journey to become EITI compliant, since being confirmed as an EITI implementing country in October 2017. The Government of Guyana and the Ministry of Natural Resources are both very proud of these achievements. Our government remains steadfast and committed to the ideals of transparency and the principles of EITI.
Following the submission of the EITI first report, the government held several outreaches across the country. According to Minister Trotman, this was done to ensure Guyanese understood the contents of the report, the impact of EITI and its benefits to the extractive sector and by extension the country.
It is monumental indeed that in 2+ years we have moved from that inaugural meeting at the Guyana to another workshop and our first report being submitted and the preparation of the second report on its way.
Friday's workshop is another step in the country's journey to compliance and transparency. It focused on two critical areas of beneficial ownership and mainstreaming, which are essential tenets or principles of EITI. Felicia Valenzuela, InfoHub.